Welcome to Globodox video tutorials. In this tutorial we will learn to create a folder. In Workspace, expand the folder node and click the Create New link to create the folder. You can enter a name for the folder. Now, hit the Enter key to create the folder. Now let's rename a folder. Select the folder that you want to rename. Right-click this folder and select the Rename option. You can also hit the F2 button on the keyboard to rename the folder. Enter a new name for the folder. Hit the Enter key to rename the folder. The folder will now be renamed. Let's add documents to a folder. Select a folder to add the documents. Now, on the Home tab, click the Add from Disk button. The Add Files window will now be launched. Select one or more files that you want to add. Click the Open button to add the documents. The selected files will now be added to Globodox and will be displayed in the folder. We will now create a subfolder. Select a folder to add the subfolder. Right-click this folder and select the Create Subfolder option. The subfolder will now be created. Enter a name for the subfolder. Hit the Enter key to create the folder. We will now move documents from one folder to another. Select the folder that contains the documents. Now select the documents that you want to move from the List View pane. Drag the selected documents and drop them on the new folder. The documents are now moved from the old folder to the new folder. Let's drag and drop documents to a folder. Select a folder to add the documents. Using Windows Explorer, select the files you want to add. Drag and drop the selected documents on the selected folder. The documents will now be added to Globodox and will be displayed in the folder. You can also drag and drop email messages from Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Outlook Express. Drag and drop of attachments and email messages is also supported. Let's find and add documents to a folder. Click the Add from Disk drop-down and select the Find and Add option. The Find and Add Files window will now be launched. In the Look-in box, click the Select button to select the folder in which you want to search the documents. A dialog will now be launched. Select a folder and click OK. Type all or part of the file name in the Search For box. Click the Search button to start the search. The search result will be displayed in the List of Files to be Added pane. Check the files that you want to add. In the Destination pane, click the Select button besides the Choose a Folder box to select a folder to add the selected files. The folder selection dialog will now be launched. Select a folder from the list. Click the OK button to select the folder. Click the Add and Close button to add the documents and close the window. The documents will now be added to Globodox and will be displayed in the selected folder. Let's add the folder structure to Globodox. Click the Add from Disk drop-down and select the Add Folders from Disk option. The Add Folders from Disk window will now be launched. Check a folder or folder structure that you want to import. Select the Import Files and Folder Tree option to import both the files and the folder structure. You can also add the selected folder to an existing Globodox folder. Click the Add button to add the folder structure along with the files. Click the Close button to close the Add Folders from Disk window. Now, navigate to Folders to view the documents. Now let's drag and drop the folder structure to Globodox. Using Windows Explorer, select the folder you want to add. Drag and drop the selected folder on a Globodox folder. The folder will now be added. We will now delete the folder. Select the folder you want to delete. Right-click this folder and select the Delete option. You will now get a confirmation message box. Click Yes to delete the folder. The folder will now be deleted. When you delete a folder, the documents in it will not be deleted. These documents can be viewed from the All Documents node.